The growing demand for high-quality snow removal tools has become essential for homeowners and commuters alike. Whether you are a typist needing a clear path to the garage or a gamer preparing for a blizzard-induced marathon, having the right gear is vital. This guide evaluates the best snow shovels based on their ergonomic design, build quality, layout, and overall value.
Product number 1. Fiskars X-Series Telescopic Auto Snow Shovel. This telescopic shovel is a masterclass in compact engineering, specifically designed for efficient snow removal around vehicles. Its standout feature is the adjustable telescopic handle, which allows you to customize the length for ergonomic comfort, effectively reducing back strain during use. The build quality is highly durable, featuring a lightweight aluminum shaft and non-slip grips that remain comfortable even when wearing thick winter gloves. The angled D-shaped handle is a smart addition, keeping your wrists in a natural, strain-free position. It provides excellent value for those who need a stowable, reliable tool for winter emergencies.
Product number 2. The Snowplow, the original snow pusher, 30-inch wide. For those with larger driveways or decks, the original snow pusher is a commercial-grade powerhouse. Its primary advantage is the ultra-rugged UHMW, ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene blade, which is renowned for its impact resistance and cold weather adaptability. The 30-inch width allows you to clear medium-sized areas in record time with minimal effort. With its patented tough brace handle connector system and bolt-together construction, this tool is built to last. If you need to clear heavy, packed snow or simply want to finish the job faster, this pusher is an elite choice that delivers consistent, professional-grade performance.
Product number 3. EmSco Bigfoot Series 42-inch Telescoping Snow Brush and Ice Scraper. When the snow hits your car, this 42-inch telescoping tool is an indispensable companion. Its design includes a swivel head, allowing you to switch between pushing snow and scraping ice effortlessly. The build quality emphasizes comfort, featuring a molded grip that makes clearing off large SUVs or trucks much less tedious. The extendable nature of the handle ensures you can reach across the entire windshield without having to walk around the vehicle, saving you time in freezing conditions. It offers tremendous value for commuters who want a high-reach, multifunctional tool that fits conveniently in the trunk.
Product number 4. ErgieShovel Ergonomic Snow Shovel, ErgieSNSH18. The ErgieShovel is designed to change the mechanics of shoveling, making it a favorite for those prone to back pain. Its signature dual handle design provides extra leverage, allowing you to lift snow using your legs rather than straining your lower back. The 18-inch polypropylene blade includes an aluminum wear strip, providing a perfect balance of durability and surface protection. While the assembly can be slightly challenging, the ergonomic benefits are immediate, especially for light to medium snow. It is a shoveling smarter tool that effectively reduces the physical tax of winter maintenance. Product number 5. True Temper 16-03400 Poly Snow Shovel / Pusher. True Temper's 18-inch combination shovel is the ultimate all-rounder for those who want one tool to do it all. The combo blade design allows you to both shovel and push snow, making it perfect for decks, sidewalks, and walkways. It features a durable nylon wear strip that prevents gouging, ensuring your wooden decks stay scratch-free. With its ergonomic steel handle and oversized D-grip, it accommodates gloved hands perfectly. This shovel provides incredible value, offering professional-grade versatility for a wide variety of winter clearing tasks.